guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni and I live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and I'm a Nigerian. So I just thought to start a new vlog today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also share this video. So I want to quickly unbox some items I got from Temu, and I'm excited about the things inside. One thing I do when I want to get something from Temu is to check the reviews and also check the pictures, reviews that have pictures, to know how big and what the people are saying about such items. So, and I've done that with the things I got here. I'm going to unbox it shortly and show you what is inside. So let's open the package. Can you please help me with scissors? And can you see my DIY hair? Can you see it? So the first thing is, it's not that bad. This toolbox is very handy. It's used for whenever you want to drill a hole in the wall, although we are not allowed to drill holes in this wall. So, but there are some things that you would need this kind of things for. Like the other day we wanted to mount up the outside camera. We needed a drilling machine to drill the wall outside. Why are you making this? Borrow it from Oba's mommy. So, and I love this because it's in a box. You can also use it to screw bolts and all that. So I'm going to give it to my husband later. It will really come in handy because anytime we are fixing things using screwdriver, it takes long. But with this, you can just plug it and it will make everything fast. Let's check the other things. So this one is a sticker for the transparent doors. So with this sticker, I can remove that curtain over there and people will not see inside from outside. So I'll show you what it looks like later. It's going to go on the doors and the windows.
All of the doors. So what about for the doors?
It won't be enough for all of the doors, but mostly for the downstairs doors and for this door.
There's one part that you can see.
Then I'm so excited about this. Do you know what it is?
No. Yeah.
This is a refrigerator removing sapper wear. It's for eliminating bad odor in the fridge.
Get off me. Is it orange?
You know that sometimes you can't keep the fridge completely odor free. Like yesterday now, when I marinated my fish for grilling yesterday, I had to put it in the fridge, and by the next day the fridge was already smelling when I opened it, because the marinating stuff I used had ginger, garlic and all, even onions, makes the fridge smell. So with this, I think you charge it and you attach it to your fridge, then it eliminates the odor inside the fridge. So I'm excited about this. I think that's all. I ordered makeup brushes from there too, but I'm disappointed. They are just too small. And I made a mistake. I ordered this twice. There's another package that is coming, and I forgot that I placed order for this, and I took exactly this same set of brush and this color. Then what's this? I don't remember what this is. Oh, I ordered screen guard
What is that?
for my phone screen. So guys, I am done with the sticking of the door sticker. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Now, before you could see the houses outside, can you see? I didn't remove all these on my bed. Now from outside you can't see inside. So let me show you what the downstairs home looks like quickly. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's like a frosted glass instead of the transparent one it was before. Now, I still need to clean. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So that is what it looks like. I'm still going to clean this door. See it from outside. So I'm going to order for more because the door is not well covered. Down there is not covered. And I also want to put it on the living room window. So I just finished exercising and I can hear my kids making noise. David, I just told you that you should be closing this door. Yesterday I marinated fish because I want to grill some fish for dinner today, and that's the reason why I haven't eaten anything today. I've been feeling very bloated lately. I don't know if it's because of all the ijekuje I've been eating, but I want to try and cut down on sugar and all these sweet things that I've been taking lately. So today I'm just going to have the grilled fish for dinner, while the other member of my family have fries with their fish. I don't know where they the knife. What they use it for? So I'm done cutting the potato and this is what it looks like. So all I will do now is rinse it and soak it in water because I'm not ready to fry it now. We usually eat dinner around 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. and it's just 5:33 right now. Our fries is ready to go into the oil, and our fish is also ready.
Yes. Card already clean. The car wash.
And you tell your daddy that he should, anytime he's going to wash his car, he should take you along.
Don't take us everywhere.
So we are at Co-op. We want to quickly pump our tire. We had a flat tire. Today is Saturday and yes.
Oh, why?
The traffic lights over there is not working, so the police people are there. They are directing the traffic.
Do we first thing?
When we're going back now, I'll look at that place.
At the crash.
There's no crash there. I didn't see any crash.
I see the police.
Can you sit down and use your seatbelt?
Where are you going to go when you go police bike? Where are you going to look at? That police.
Yes.
Jackson has hit the wall before his head.
Who is Jackson?
In my class. And he's from Canada.
Okay.
And he always used to say washroom.
You always used to say
Washroom.
washroom.
Yes, is he a Canadian?
Where can I put my camera? wear this black and this short. So we just got back from the circus and it was interesting, it was fun, and we had a swell time. So next week Saturday we are out again. So during this summer break we are going to be out a lot. Any free time we have, we are going to be going out, especially on weekends when everybody is free from work. So next week Saturday we are going to the amusement park and I'm so excited to go there. We'll bring you guys along next week. We are going to be going with a group of families and I will bring you guys along on that journey. So guys, let me change to my nightwear and clean off and wash off my face. So we went out very early this morning. We went to my husband's friend's house. They bought a house. People are really doing a lot of big things in this Winnipeg. So they bought a house few months ago, I think last month or 2 months ago, but we've not been able to go and visit them at their new house until today because my husband works on Saturdays and Sundays, but for the past 2 weeks now he hasn't been working on weekends. So we decided to visit them today and we spent most of the day there. And after we left there, we went to the circus show, which I just showed you in the last clip. So I am tired. I'm going to retire for the day and I will catch you guys maybe tomorrow. Is that okay? I will catch you guys tomorrow. So guys, I think I should end the vlog here. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will see you next time.